the weekend officially starts on Friday, right? So this is your weekend vlog. We're gonna have some corn for dinner. It's hard to find like organic corn, and whenever it comes up, I always snatch it. That's gonna boil. I'm munching on Boulder chips. Brandon ordered pizza for the boys. We're usually like a local pizza place, but the boys always want Domino's. Domino's, I think that's what they got. Domino's. And I think they got salad. And I'm thinking of also snacking on leftover potatoes. I'm thinking of doing some of the chicken because buffalo sauce stuff. Maybe I'll pressure cook a chicken, like a chicken breast. Yeah. So we'll do this. Well, turn on the kitchen lights. Oh yeah. So I've learned from all of you that I am pressure cooking my chicken for way too long. I was like literally doing it for like 3.5 hours, and someone's like, you just need to do it for like 10 minutes. I feel like 10 minutes is not enough time, so I'll like put it in for 20 minutes and see what happens with that. What the heck is this? I can't believe I was doing it for 2.5 hours. Alright, we're gonna do all of it.
You closer to the table?
Popcorn. You ready? Yes!
It's like 6:20. Bloom woke up. I'm like still half asleep, but I'm gonna go to her room and get her. And what should we put in there? I would have put granola if I made it, but I don't have any.
Where? Today?
No, it's Saturday. We woke up early, so it was just. You woke up early too, Bubba. You went to bed really late too. Why don't you go snuggle on the couch? Who's that?
Yes.
Gus. Who's Gus?
Yes. Yeah.
Gus is with Bloom. I'm gonna try to get ready really fast. Brandon and Griffin are still sleeping. Gonna do some shopping. Yeah. And she was like, oh, I gotta re-weigh those bananas. I was like, oh, I didn't get bananas. And then I was looking and I was like, I didn't get bananas. And then she's like, oh, like a couple of rings later, she's like, watermelon. Where'd that watermelon go? And I was like, I didn't get watermelon. Shit, and she was blaming it on the register. And then she was like doubling up my bone broth. And I was like, oh, I only got one bone broth. So I was like, I usually don't pay much attention, even though I probably should. Really paying attention to like what was being registered and ringed up. Because like, this is not gonna be good. We gotta return a rental. So we're gonna go to the UPS store. I love you. $20-something bottle of olive
Oh,
oil.
no.
Holy mother!
I was like, what is that? Oh, well.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What do I
man.
do about that?
Well, we're not going to consume it, so.
$24.
Okay, well.
For this tiny little shit. Hey Google, what can you do with a leak?
I don't know, but I found
She
the
goes,
results on search.
Why do you buy that?
A leak?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, maybe I could make fun of a leak.
Usually you should ask people before you buy it.
I know. Are Griffin's games outdoors this
Yeah.
weekend? Really?
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be cold.
Maybe. Find a lot the same on the address.
Sheesh. I don't know what I feel about that.
It'll be cloudy, with lows around 39 except for Saturday, when there'll be light rain with a low of 34.
The boys are gonna be fucking freezing.
Yeah, Griffin won't be. He's going to be running.
That's true. The hard part about zucchini is that it just doesn't coat very easily. What are you doing? Another like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So Bloom's lunch is literally a mixture of just 2 dinners in a row. One was like a white bean dish and one was a chickpea dish, tomato sauce base with onions and spices. We have that zucchini thing, the breaded crispy zucchini baked thing. It's coming! All right, she wants it. And I'll probably give her fruit on that last one. We are off to return skis from the winter.
Day in the life! A day in the week, dude.
Weekend.
Weekend.
Returning some skis.
Everybody's leaving you.
Eggs and leeks.
Yeah.
Hot blow, go. If it's hot, you go like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Try it again.
What is that?
Yeah. My favorite, like real traditional coleslaw is like, it has like some of that creaminess, but it's not like overly creamy.
Taking Bloom for her nap. And she loves the piggybacks. Let's go for your Toto nap. Pout pout. The pout pout fish. Deep in the water where the fish hang out lives a gloomy swimmer with an ever-present pout. We're a little late because Bloom was sleeping. But we're playing. It's actually G right now. Nice cross, Griffin. Got a Newly shipment. I started trying stuff on and I was like, let me try that for you. Oh, it's not Newly. Shoot, guys, I switched to RTR. I was doing Newly forever. And then I switched. This is like a weird fit. Like it's weird. Like short arms. Okay, but this, guys, this jacket I rented one time before in blue. So cute. I kind of want to keep it. I rented it when I was pregnant with Bloom, and it was a blue one, and now I kind of just want to keep it because I feel like it kind of represents her. Like, how cute is this? Not with this shirt under it, but let's just go like this. I'm actually obsessed with it. Okay, let's try on these pants. I don't really want to take off my pants. Let's just wear them over the leggings. Hopefully they fit. Not gonna fit. Oh my God, why are they so tiny? I don't know. Run small. What is this little dangle do? Okay, this is not gonna work. You know what? They did say your first like 60 days, you can switch up anything that doesn't work for you. So I'm gonna contact them to be like, hey, this doesn't work for me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What'd you find? Gus is at a friend's house while we were leaving Griffin's game. We got a call from one of his friends and was like, hey, does Gus want to come over? Gus is like, absolutely. So he's there right now. This annoying band-aid's on my finger because I cut my finger. He's there for another hour, so I can just, I don't know. Just wait for him to come home. The boys are watching the Celtics. I am doing the dishes. Brandon is putting Bloom to sleep. It's like 7:45, so the Celtics have a little while before they're on, but that is what's happening in our house right now. You wanna come out? You were dancing with her? You're such a good brother. Thanks, buddy. Hey, Google. Can you please play the podcast called Goosebumps?
I wanted to talk to Kathy.
Yes.
I wanted to tell her what had happened to me. To a boy named Kyle Bateman who had been struck by a car. I'm currently in our kitchen and going through a bunch of Bloom's like stuff, like this kind of stuff. I feel like she doesn't necessarily need all of these. It's just a lot. So we're just trying to like minimize it. So I'm trying to figure out what does she use and what can I just give away because it just becomes clutter and I don't need that. And Bloom, you're gonna tell us what you think? What do we really use? What do we really need? That's what I have to determine. This we use all the time. These are the best. Put snacks in there, put your hand in. So we don't need all these bowls. Do we need all these bowls? But I use glass mostly for what she does. Like I use glass or ceramic. I don't really use this. Giveaway. Cheese. Yeah.
Bloom is down for a nap. I'm gonna quickly change into a workout outfit and film a workout video. Bloom is sleeping. I'm gonna run upstairs and film. Shoot. Hey guys, it's Lauren Hepez. I left my water downstairs and I think I'm gonna regret that. I might have to run downstairs in the middle of the workout, but you won't even know because I'll edit it out. All you need is some weights. Let's get moving. I feel like I've been cooking this whole weekend. Right now I'm making black bean burgers. Brandon and me are going to go with Griffin to his game. It's like an hour away. So we have Lauren coming to be with Bloom and Gus. We made the chili. Did not come out great. Instead of smoked paprika, I think we added chili powder, so it's a little like spicy. So I don't think the boys really love it. Bloom's not gonna love it. I didn't love it. So I'm making black bean burgers so that they have something to eat tonight. I love cooking, but the hard part is that like when you cook a lot, you have to clean a lot. And I feel such a difference like when I order out and
I'm like, oh my God, there's no cleaning. It's much easier. But I do love cooking because I just love knowing what's going in my food. Okay, so we have black beans, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, egg. I'm gonna add in breadcrumbs first. I'm gonna like blend it up a little bit, then I'll throw in breadcrumbs. I think I might need another egg. Like a little bit of breadcrumbs, not too much. Okay. Actually looks phenomenal. So I'll put this in a bowl and Lola will know what to do because we've made these 100 times. Form them into patties, put them on the griddle. So it's just pretty much the base that I made her. And then you could eat it on top of a salad or on a hamburger bun. Okay. Voila, we are done. Now I gotta clean. Oh, we also made a buffalo chicken pizza with the leftover buffalo chicken because we have so much leftover buffalo chicken. I feel like it's coming out of my ears. I can't eat it anymore, but I put it on top of, so we had naan, and then I put sauce and the buffalo chicken on top, and it actually was so, so good. The boys loved that.
Nice job, Caleb. Keep with it. Get it out.
Get it, Chris! With a hand!
Oh yeah, Griffin? From rap to this, I love it.